A very good day to Dr. Zamri. My name is Sangeeta Sandra, metric number 281913. Would like to present my STIW3054 real-time programming assignment 2. Let's take a look. Okay, this assignment is based on a Telegram bot that require the user to book room through the bot. Okay, let's take a look how it works. Okay, for now, for this Telegram bot, I have created like two Java class, which is first uh, app which contain my main method, and second followed by my bot which have the long polling vote and followed by everything. First, let's take a look at the app class. Okay, for app class, I have initialized, this is the primary class for controlling the Telegram bots. And also, as you can see, this is where we are dealing with the Telegram APIs, bot APIs. And as you can see, this is my class file name which it stated my metric number as 28191382221 underscore bot. Okay, this is for main, and main is the method where we used to run the bot. Okay, let's take a look at our second class, which is named after the bot name after all. Okay, as you can see, I have installed all the import all the Telegram necessities libraries as well as the Java SQL. Okay, following by public class, which is also the class name, and extends Telegram pool. This is the main method where we have where we get the database connection and also the user input, also the select into the database, insert into the database, view and delete. Okay, as you can see, the first class, it says the connection where we use this con, which is referred to connection, to connect to the data SQLite database. And this is the prepared statement. And this is the send message I use to set the tags, and also I use it in between the switchers. And as you can see, the next is their bot username, which is referring to my username based on my Telegram. And also the next is the bot token. Oh, this is the API token which I generated from bot fodder. And also next we have on update receive, where we have the switch. Okay, for this switch, I have initialized the set reply markup, which is a select keyboard where the user can select like four services, including make a booking, view booking list, and also delete their booking. And as well as the home page, they can redirect to the home page. And as you can see, these are the things: start, home, and case, make a booking, view booking list, cancel. Okay, this is the length. I have initialized 9 variables. So in order to retrieve the data into database, the user need to update or insert 9 necessary informations regarding the booking. Okay, so next we are going to the next method, which is set welcome message. Okay, the welcome message, I have created another method, so that once the user types start backslash slash start, and it automatically redirect to the welcome message. As you can see, I have initialized here. Okay, set welcome message, and then the next method should be the keyboard, which I already mentioned earlier. I have created 4 buttons so that it will be easy and user friendly for the newcomers or the user, whoever not familiar with the Telegram bots. Okay, furthermore, we have set booking method where, okay, this is interesting method where I display everything regarding the room. Okay, for room, I have created, I don't want to talk further because I will run the program in a while. So let me just brief regarding the method. So I have come up with 4 room types, and then the room types I have added along with the ID as well as the max capacity for the room. And also following that, I have inserted the information where they can where the user need to put in order to save their booking. And also I have given the example so that it will be quite user friendly for the new beginners. Okay, next we have set room booking, where you can see this is the set room booking, where these are the variables I have mentioned earlier, the 9 variables, where we have to attach it, initialize it so that it would be easy to insert into our table booking. Okay, by the way, the table name I named after table booking. And also, what else we have here? Okay, next we have cancel booking, where the user can cancel their booking from the table according to the IC number. So those whoever created the book the room, so only that person can deleted the booking because it contained the IC number. Because if I register using my IC number and I'm the only authorized person can delete it, because I might be the only person who knows my IC number, so I can put my IC number, so it will be deleted from the table. Okay, last we have view booking, where it will list all the bookings based on the customer's preference. And it's more or less like an order summary for the room, where it will retrieve a lot of informations regarding the booking, user who booked the room, and also the room details they are booked for. Okay, and here we have table booking UML, and also we have database layout. This is the database layout. And let's take a look how it works. Okay. Okay, for first I start. Okay, once start, it will redirect a message. It will automatically pop up a message saying like, hi there, I'm Alpha, Roomzilla virtual assistant. And also, as you can see, there is for service button here. First, make a booking, view booking list, cancel booking, and home. Okay, let's see what happens if I click the make a booking. Okay, once we click the make a booking, it will, as I mentioned earlier, it will display the room details, including the room capacity and room ID, and also followed by the information the user have to insert in order for their booking. Okay, and followed by I given an example for those user who are new to Telegram bot, so that they know how to type and what are the format to type it. Okay, let's see. Let me type my 2102531 Sunnytime 281913016905245 s@gmail.com. I'm booking for a dinner, and I'm booking for coming Christmas. Let's say 7:15. And I want to book a room number. Since you can see the room ID here, how many max people? Let's say I want to book room 6 with 100 max capacity. Okay, once you enter the input, once it's successful, it will redirect a message saying your booking was successful. Please review the order summary in the view booking list. Okay, if the user didn't put any requirement that stated here, they will get an error message saying the invalid input, please try again. Okay, since the booking was successful, let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, once you click the view booking list button, it will display the booking along with the booking ID, staff ID, name, telephone number, email, purpose, date, time, as well as the room ID, which we selected earlier, 6. And it will automatically retrieve the data from the database, which is the room name, the capacity, as well as the description. Okay, let's take a look at what happens if I cancel the booking. Okay, once I click the cancel booking button, it will pop up a message saying you must first provide your IC number in order to cancel your reservation. Please provide your IC number. Okay, as you can see, the example is given. So let us follow 99102102530. Okay, once it's successful, it says the message, the booking has been successfully canceled. So let's book another booking. And okay, before we book another booking, let's see the booking list. Okay, once we already deleted the booking list back to 0, there is no data to display. Okay, let's book another list. For this one, I was just going to use their example. And as you can see, the booking was successful, and please review the summary in the booking view booking list. Okay, I want to make another one, which I will change the 4 digits, and I will change the name to Dennis 555111. See presentation and the timing. We change the room. We go for room number 1 this time. Okay, so we already insert 2 data. So let's take a look how it looks in view. Okay, as you can see, the first we did was Jacqueline, and you can see the booking ID was 1. And the second one we insert, it automatically retrieve as booking number 2, which is Denise. And as you can see, the input is automatically generated and arranged according to its column. Okay, so let's cancel one more. Okay, for this, we need to cancel as per their IC number they're given, because it will be confidential. Only those people who book knows their IC number, so it's easy to cancel that way. Okay, I would like to cancel Jacqueline. So okay, this is the IC number, as you can see. Okay, before that, we can check our database whether it's included. Where's this one? Okay, as you can see, right now, you can see the two data inputs. We have put Jacqueline and Dennis is already successfully stored in the database. So what we are going to do is delete one of them. As you can see, the IC number I'm inserting is Jacqueline's. Okay, okay, it says the booking has been successfully canceled. Let's see if the database updated. Yes, as you can see, it's successfully updated, which is Jacqueline's ID is already removed and it already erased from the database. So let's see the view booking. Okay, as you can see here, we only left with Dennis booking order because Jacqueline is removed from the database. Okay, for last but not least, we have home button, where once you click the home button, it will redirect to the main page where you can see the contact details, phone details, as well as the email. Okay, now we are going to take a look at the GitHub. Okay, GitHub, these are the inputs. I mean, these are the outputs I have attached earlier. And these are the database successfully linked proofs. So once it came from the connections we used earlier using the JBDC URL. Okay, as you can see here, and this is the UML class diagram. As you can see, got 2 Java class, and these are the methods. Okay, next we have database, where we have 2 tables, and one of them is foreign key, two is primary key, and one of them is foreign key. Okay. As next, we have the database layout design. As you can see, what are the format we have in set it as you can see, text, primary key, foreign key, and we also have the layout, how does it looks once it have been set. And here we have reference as well as our Java doc. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.